Hey guys, Learn More channel will surprise you. Don't mind me, just mind information.
Guys, Learn More channel is here to surprise you. So today, as you see the title, we are going back to the old website because there are many people who are struggling. That is not good for them. The new page of Hollywood. So I'm here to help you guys. Hollywoodbets still available. The old page is still available. How to get the old page? Let me show you. You see this picture right now. This is the screenshot that I took just to show you guys that you can go back to the old website if you want to go back, because on my side I'm still using the old page and the new page. Both of them, they are fine on my side. So remember guys, I'm here to support you, to help you left, right and center. Please support me by liking, subscribing and put the positive comment. If you have question, please ask me. If I'm not answering you, don't stress, because once I get your comment or your question, I'll try to create a video for you. So let's continue guys. I'll show you how to do or how to go to the old website, old page from Hollywoodbets. Come on board guys, don't mind me, just mind information. I don't know English knows me. Learn More channel is here to surprise you. All right, okay, let's continue guys. You're going to go to your browser. It's either you are using Firefox or you are using the Chrome. No problem. The only thing that you're going to write, you're going to type m.hollywoodbets.net/account. You're going to write this. Let me show you. You're going to write this. Make sure you look at it. Uyibhekisise kahle guys. Uyibuke. Uyibhekisise kahle. It's m.hollywoodbets.net/account. This is the link that you're going to use. I'm going to leave it to my description down below. Make sure you take time by listening to this video to the end, because I don't want someone who's going to say, I sebenzi game, it's not working on my side, because I did create this video to make sure everyone is satisfied, and I'm using the phone, I'm not using a laptop, to make sure everyone is happy. So I'm going to rotate the phone to make sure you understand this. Once you write this and then you have to continue, it's going to be like this. It's going to change to legacy.hollywoodbets.net. It's going to change to this link. And also this link, I'm going to upload it to my description down below. It's going to be up to you. It's either you start clicking this one or you start typing that one. Make sure you type m.hollywoodbets. If you started with m and put dot and continue, make sure you click that link first. If it's not working, if you click it, you have to type it to your browser. All right guys, don't mind me, just mind information. I don't know English knows me. The only thing that is making me to do this video is because many people don't like the new website or the new page of Hollywoodbets. So this is how to go back to the old Hollywoodbet website. Guys, make sure you support me by subscribing and like, and keep the positive comment to my description down below. If you have question, I will try my best to create a video if I have an answer for you. And remember, I'm not doing the things that like personal details. If you come to me about your personal details, I'm going to suggest to give you the phone number that you can use to call the company of Hollywoodbets to make sure you get satisfied with the approval or the problem that you have and be happy with it. So guys, Learn More channel is here to surprise you. As you see right now, I don't have a voucher. I only have 2 cents. Can you please support me? Because I keep on doing this for you guys. Please support me by subscribing. Please support me by joining with my referred number. That's I keep on giving you my referred number. It says 1597439. 1597439. That is my referred number. If you are wondering what is the promo code, you never understand or you never see or you never check my video where I'm talking about the promo code is 5 zeros or 4 zeros only. Because the old website, we were not putting anything the time we were registering on Hollywood. But now it's a must to put something to the promo code. So you can put 4 zeros or 5 zeros and continue with the process of registering. Make sure you're not clicking Fika document twice or third time. If you did click twice, it's going to give you a problem. You have to make sure everything is near you, like your ID, your proof of residence, or your bank statement. It's next to you before you start clicking registering, right? Then once you proceed, you're going to use all the details, all the information that is near you. Like you're gonna take your ID and do the selfie, you're gonna upload the FICA documents or your proof of residence. Everything is like hurry up, pasha next to you. Don't mind me, remember I don't know English knows me. So the only thing that I am asking you guys is to support me by subscribing, is to support me under this name of this channel. Click more and then scroll down and you will find my other channels. Okay, let me be slow about this because I have to help anyone who needs help. Number one, you are not working. Yes, you are a risk taker. You are here to start somewhere because we have to start somewhere to be somewhere. You are here to join Hollywood. You are here to try your luck and make sure you're getting something. That is the best thing that you do, you did. So that is my number one for you. And then number two, you just say, yes, I'm a risk taker, but as a risk taker, I need something that I can sell. I need something that I can help people with. I also have that channel that I'm selling the different products. I'm selling the product that is healing any diseases. You will find it once you click more under this name of this channel, and then you click Miss Lou Healthy Solution Healing all the disease or any diseases. You can see there my other channel. If you say, no, I don't want this, I just want to be free, maybe if I'm home, I want something that I can listen or something that I can do, or please, no problem, I can try to help you to check my comments and do the videos about that. I'm here to help you, but please make sure you understand my every video that I'm uploading here to this channel. If you say, I want to maybe to watch stories, funny stories, animated stories, I also have that channel. It's interesting stories. If you scroll down after clicking more, you will find that channel. Please support me by subscribing. It's an old channel that has been blocked, and then right now it's open because I tried to recover it. It was 2017 channel, and then I was disappointed because I didn't get paid. They were saying I was uploading the negative things. So right now I'm starting somewhere to be somewhere. So you can help me by subscribing or by watching those stories that I'm creating. If you have children at home, yeah, the channel is fine. It's voila, it's animated stories. I also have this one channel, and I also have the channel where I'm trying to do vlogs. If you're saying, no, I just want to see you doing something like that, yes, you will see me, but don't laugh at me, because in that channel I'm doing different things, many things, and I also like to talk about my life. This thing has been eating me up, but I don't know where to talk to or who can understand my feelings, but I will try to do that. But right now the only thing that is there, it's my exercises, because I'm a motivator, as I also have the certificate of being a social worker, guys. So I like to help people. That's all I can say. I'm sorry about the long video talkative like that I'm doing right now, but the only thing that I want to say to you guys, if you like that channels that I have, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share the positive comment. Don't forget to join Hollywoodbets and give me the voucher. I have to say it, guys. Please subscribe to this channel, check my other videos, because Learn More channel is here to surprise you. Ciao guys, have a nice wonderful day. Mwah.